All right. So again, question 23, TSC 2011. We have a parabola y equals to x square by 4. So let me draw this parabola y equals to x square by 4. It will look like this. Okay, this is the parabola. Okay, from a given point 0, the closest point from a given point 0 comma b on the vertical axis is the origin. So you are saying there's some point 0 comma b, okay, and the closest point is this point, okay, the origin 0 comma 0. So let's take any other point x comma x square by 4 for x not equal to 0. Okay, let me call this as distance d1 and this is distance d2. Okay, so the claim is that d d1 d2 should be less than d1. So you have to find b such that d2 is less than d1 for all values of x not equals to 0. Okay, so d2 is basically the distance between 0 comma b and origin, so that's going to be b. So b should be less than this distance. So this distance is what, yeah, under root of x minus 0 square plus x square by 4 minus b square. Okay, so this implies, so I'll do whole square of both the things. So b square should be less than x square plus this becomes what, x to power 4 by 16 minus 2 into x square by 4 into b plus b square. So you can cancel out the b part, which implies that x to power 4 by 16 should be greater than x square into if I take x square common, what remains is I'm taking everything here. So this becomes b by 2 minus 1. Okay. Now I can cancel out the x part, right? Now what I can do is cancel out the x part. यही करना है ना मुझे, x square by 4 होना चाहिए यहाँ, सॉरी x square by 4. Okay. So I have already taken x not equals to 0, so I can cancel out the x part. So this becomes x square by 4 is greater than b by 2 minus 1. यहाँ तक सही क्या है ना, मैंने तुम्हारा मेरा सेम है ना. Okay. So this implies that b by 2 should be less than 1 plus x square by 4 for all x not equals to 0. Okay. Uh, so the minimum value of this thing for all x not equals to 0 is 0. So this implies that b by 2 should be less than, sorry, is 1. So b by 2 should be less
सर
than 1. This implies b is less than 2. Right. हाँ
सर एक्स
बोलो.
स्क्वायर बाय 4 ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा ना, तो b बाय 2 माइनस 1 भी ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा, b ग्रेटर देन 2 आ जाएगा.
नहीं, b by 2 should be less than 1 plus x square by 4 for all x not equals to 0. मतलब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, the distance d2 has to be less than the distance d1 for any, d1 की वैल्यू चेंज होगी x के साथ. The minimum possible value of d1 will happen for x equals to x tending to 0. When x is very very close to 0, that's when the minimum value of d1 will happen. Okay, so minimum value of d1 should be minimum possible. So b by 2 should be less than 1 by x square plus 4 is basically saying that d2 should be less than uh, minima of d1, minima of all values d1. Obviously d1 की value change होती रहेगी. d1 could possibly be infinite, right? d1 is the distance between the point 0 comma b with any point, any other point on the parabola. So you can take a point on infinity. So when you take a point on infinity, the d1 value will become 0. So I am looking for the minimum possible value of x, sorry, the minimum possible value of d1. So you are basically saying that d2 should be less than all possible values of d1 is the same thing as b by 2 should be less than all possible values of 1 plus x square by 4. Now 1 plus x square by 4 की all possible values क्या हो सकती है? The smallest possible will be uh, x almost close to 0, right? The x almost close to 0 मतलब x को 0 ही डाल दो, so this thing becomes 1. So that's why b by 2 should be less than 1.
सर यहाँ पे एक्स कट करना वैलिड कैसे था?
क्या? क्योंकि
यहाँ पर हमने ऊपर एक्स
मैंने
को
वो पहले लिख दिया x not equals to 0. So d2 is the for, so मैंने अब फॉर्मूले ही अलग अलग कर दिए. I am not finding the smallest distance anymore. I am saying that d2 is the distance between this point and origin, and d1 is the distance between this point and some non-origin point. So मैंने नॉन ओरिजिन पॉइंट जब क्लेम कर दिया, सो आई एम ऑटोमेटिकली क्लेमिंग दैट x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. देन आई कैन डू द कटिंग्स. मेरे तरीके से आंसर करेक्ट आ रहा है, बट वो तरीका सही नहीं है. I have to clearly specify why x is non-zero, and then I can cut x in different on different sides of the equation. उसके बिना मैं x को कट नहीं कर सकता without specifying कि x should be non-zero.
ओके सर.